Welcome to Tracepos, your ultimate business management solution. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of adding a new warehouse to enhance your inventory management capabilities. Navigate to the Settings menu on the left-hand side of the Tracepos dashboard. Select the Warehouses option from the Settings menu. Now, let's initiate the warehouse creation process. Click on the Add New Warehouse button. In the Basic Details tab of the modal box, enter the warehouse name in the name field. Tracepos will automatically generate a unique slug for the warehouse. Enter the company or warehouse's email address in the email field. Choose whether to display the email address on invoices by checking the Show Email on Invoice for checkbox. Provide the company or warehouse's phone number in the phone field. Select the checkbox to show the phone number on invoices. Now, let's add a personal touch. Upload the warehouse's logo by clicking on the Upload button next to the logo field. Similarly, upload the warehouse's dark logo by clicking on the Upload button next to the dark logo field. Once all the information is entered and the logos are uploaded, scroll down to the Terms and Condition input field and replace the Enter Your City name with your country on state name. Click the Create button to complete the warehouse creation process. Congratulations! You've successfully added a new location to Tracepos. Now, you can manage your inventory across multiple warehouses effectively. By following these steps, you can maintain accurate stock levels, track inventory movements, and make informed purchasing decisions for each location. Thank you for choosing Tracepos. Stay tuned for more tutorials to make the most of your business management experience. Happy managing!